Do Chrome extensions work in incognito mode? First, open Chrome. Click the extensions icon in the toolbar, which looks like a puzzle piece. When a menu pops up, select Manage Extensions. If you know extensions enabled in your Chrome browser, then click to 3 vertical dots in the top right corner and select More Tools greater than Extensions from the menu. When the Extensions tab appears, locate the name of the extension you'd like to enable in incognito mode and click the Details button beside it. On the Extensions Details page, scroll down and locate the Allow in Incognito option. Click the switch beside it to turn it on. If you need to do the same with any other extensions, click the Back button once, then visit each extension's Details page. Enable Allow in Incognito for each extension you'd like to use in incognito mode. When you're done, close the Extensions tab and the setting will take effect immediately. You'll be able to use the extensions you enabled in incognito mode, and they will still be active in non-private browsing mode as well. Thank you for watching. For more information, subscribe my channel.